All right, so hello everyone. So in this video, let's discuss about OSINT and its use cases. So OSINT and MOSINT, they are one of the open source intelligence tools that are helpful for collecting, analyzing information, publicly available information. So these are widely used in cybersecurity to identify the leaked credentials or any kind of threats. So let's see what is this tool? What is this tool all about? So what is OSINT? So before we go into MOSINT, let's see what is this email OSINT tool. So MOSINT is an email OSINT tool that investigates the email address. So it focuses on the email address. So using this tool, it helps cybersecurity experts for understanding the domain details. Domain details, for example, is it from Gmail or is it from a private domain? It will also help us to understand if there is any breaches present in the data. Was this email was this a particular email part of any kind of leak, or is it linked to any kind of social media profiles, LinkedIn profiles like that? So why are we using this MOSINT? Because it automates the email investigation, saves time, and multiple sources. It goes into multiple sources for deeper analysis. Yeah. So some of the things, for example, let's take one use case. For example, let's say a fraud investigator receives a suspicious email from this support@paypal.com. So a fraud investigator receives a suspicious email from this email. So using MOSINT tool, what we can do is we can discover that the domain, it is not PayPal, but a fake site. It is paypol.com. So we can also identify that this email was involved in phishing campaigns, or this email is linked to any kind of social media scammers social media account. So using all these details, you can help take further decisions, or further investigation can be done based on these details. Okay, so now let's see what are the features of this email investigation tool. First one, email information gathering. So your domain verification can be done. So we can check if an email is from Gmail, Yahoo, or custom domain. You can also analyze the MX records and hosting detail. So just this, this is basically saying that it helps identify whether the email server is hosted, where the email server is hosted. And we can also, the second feature is using this tool, you can check if an email appears in data breaches. Like those emails from LinkedIn, Facebook. So it just helps us to take actions. And it also finds social media accounts linked to this email. And miscellaneous insights. So it checks if the email is disposable. It also analyzes the email patterns to detect phishing attacks. So this MOSINT, it's one of the powerful OSINT tool for investigating emails, for detecting breaches, phishing prevention, tracking emails, fraud detection. Even for employee verification, we can use it. So using this tool, investigators can uncover hidden threats, make smarter decisions, and many more things. See, just take an example. For example, let's say we have a hiring manager. He can verify the candidate's email. He can verify the candidate's email. How? Using this tool, MOSINT tool, he can reveal if it is linked to a fake LinkedIn account or GitHub account. So he can verify that. So he can suggest if the candidate is lying about their credentials. So like this, you can verify also. Yeah, that's about this tool. Thank you.